summer. Welcome, and don't forget to subscribe because you're very lucky today. Anyway, I'm going to teach you how to prepare African okra. Welcome again. Don't forget to subscribe, share and comment down below. Let me get your comments, and maybe you want me to prepare something that you want to learn. Just comment it down below. I will do, sure we do. Let's dig into it. Okay, for today's menu I have meat that is already cooked. As you can see, I've already cooked it very well. It's soft, very soft. And this, I have a pepper here, onions and OGIRI. Of course, this is onions, sweetie MAGGI, dolly MAGGI. These are the cube I'm going to use today. As you can see, sweetie and dolly. Of course, here in my local dialect we call it CANDA. Cleanly washed. As you can see, I've washed it properly. And this is a fish, as you can see. Of course, crab. And of course, the main thing, okra. This is it. I've already sliced it. As you can see, washed it properly, and it is already sliced. So let's start cooking. First of all, I'm going to take the palm oil, turn it inside the pot. Yeah, I'm going to use it. I don't know, maybe some of you guys don't like enough palm oil, but this is African. This is Australian. We eat everything. So I'm going to light my stove. Yeah, so it's light now. Let's try to see. So I'm going to mix it with palm oil for it to get light. Because this is not ordinary okra, it's going to be fried okra. I'm going to fry the okra. So just patient, just watch and see. You're going to learn a lot from this. I'm sure it's going to be spicy because when I cook, you are expecting tasty food. So I'll be mixing it like this for a long time for the palm oil to get released from. Okay, I guess it's okay now. So I'm going to use the okra. I'm putting it in. I told you I'm going to prepare fried okra. I'm not allowing it to get warm because I don't want the oil to be like too warm or too hot for the okra to enter it, because when the oil is too hot, the okra is going to be like shrink, something like that. So I'm going to mix it up. Everybody has their way of preparing food. Some people might use the water first. As I said, this is a fried okra, so you just have to wait and see how this is going to look. I guess I just wish you guys get it tasty because already it's tasty. I'm going to mix it properly for it to, yeah. Okay, so it's there. So this is it, and this is exactly how I want it to look like, and already looking like that. I'm going to cover it for like 5 minutes. 5 minutes, and after that I'll be continuing putting the meat for it to also get boiled. I've already cooked it, it's very well cooked. You know, meat, so just look at it after I open it. This is how it looks like. Yeah, so yummy. So yummy. So now I'm going to turn the meat. I didn't take off the water because it has all the protein in it, so I'm going to put it inside the pot. Yeah. Okay. It's so excited. It's gonna be so much fun. Just can imagine how the look of turkey things. Wow. So this is it. After the water is in it now, I'm not gonna put too much water because I don't want it to look like, as I told you, something I'm going to fry, not cook. So this is it for now. I'm going to put the CANDA in it for it to also be tasty. So just put everything in there. Leave it for a moment to boil away. Okay, I guess this pot is kind of small, but okay, I'm going to manage it. Next time I'll do something big and big. Okay, so this is it. What am I going to do now? I'm going to put the onions, the sliced one. I've already sliced it, so I'm putting it in before too late. So it's already in here. The onions is already the whole okra. So this is how my okra looks. When the meat, the CANDA, the onions is in there, this is how it looks. Just trust me, you can cook this anywhere and everybody can eat it. Honestly, everybody can eat it. I'm telling you. So we're going to cover it for a while for it to get spoiled. Yeah. Okay, so just leave it for a while. So this is how it looks. So leaving it for a while. So now I'm sprinkling a little bit of water because of the rawness of the okra and the onions. So I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of water in it for it to kind of bruise in. I don't want it to be too thick. Yeah. So this is it. I'm promising you I'm not going to put any water in it again. I guess this is fine. Yeah. So everything is good in now. So we can all cook together. The crab and the fish are all in there together now. Oh my god, this is too small. Pepper. The reason why I just want it to be, I just want the pepper to taste good. When you're eating the soup, you need to taste the pepper. That's why I decided to put it very, very late, because you need to taste the pepper in it. That's what makes it okra. So this is it. I'm going to mix the pepper now for it to be all over the soup. I'm going to use the sauce, the cube. As I told you earlier, I'm going to use 3 cubes, 2 sweetie MAGGI, and 1 dolly. These are the ones we sell here. I don't know. They're from Africa. I don't recall one. I don't know about it. All I know is they're nice. Very, very nice. Oh, it smells so good. I really, really like the smell of my okra. Oh my god. This is it. This is it. It's almost through. I mean, the okra is almost through. We are just going to leave it for a while for it to be properly cooked. Oh my god, you really don't want to miss this. I'm sure this is so very wow. Come and see this. This is it. I'm sure it's so delicious. As you can see, this is how my okra looks. Not with so much water in it. As you can see, this is it. It's almost cool. You see, this is it. You can even eat this one with fufu, rice, and everything you can. Even eba, you can eat it with it because it's so much okay. So very much okay, honestly. You don't want to miss this for anything. I'm sure it's nice, so nice. So let's just leave it for a while. What I'm going to do now, I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit of salt in it. Yeah. Oh. So let's just leave it for a while. And we are coming back to it. Just cover it for like 10 to 15 minutes. It will be good to go. Now, all you need to do is to find fufu, rice, or whatever for it. Let's just take it out of the fire and see how far it goes. Okay. So this is it. Okay. So yeah. So this is it. This is how my okra looks. So much delicious. As you can see, it's kind of colorful. You can see the green stuff like that. It's so nice. You can try it anywhere, even at your house. As you're watching the video, you can try it everywhere. We are going to put the item below in the description box, as you can, so you can know how to prepare it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. See you next Saturday. Bye bye.